Prep and apply ToughStripe. Choose the right option from the family of ToughStripe tapes that matches your environment and application needs. First, prep your floor to ensure maximum adhesion and durability. Apply ToughStripe to clean, dry surfaces. Do not place over gaps, large cracks, old tape, or paint. To build around gaps, cut and leave a space between both ends of the tape. Remove old tape using a scraper. Sweep off any excess dirt and debris, then mop the area. If needed, use an industrial degreaser, like Brady's Super Concentrate Cleaner, to remove oils and residue. Finish by mopping once more with clean water and allow the area to dry completely. Now you are ready to apply your ToughStripe. Peel back 2 inches of the liner from your tape and tack it down. Unroll your tape and get a feel for the right distance. This is the time to adjust and align your tape. Now, carefully peel back the liner. Using a roller or squeegee, apply strong, consistent downward pressure from the tack starting point to the end of your line to maximize adhesion. Want to move faster or have a long distance to tape? Bring a friend. One person can unroll while the other tacks and smooths, or use Brady's ToughStripe tape applicator to make long distances a breeze. And for more complex jobs, leave it to Brady's expert area marking services to handle every detail. Make sure not to overlap the corners of your ToughStripe and use mitered corners to prevent pick points. For best results, let the tape sit overnight to properly adhere to the surface. Or, in a heavily trafficked area, a slow pass with a forklift in the direction of application can speed up the process. Need to swap out your ToughStripe? Remove it easily. Start at an edge or corner and peel slowly and continuously upward at a 90-degree angle.